Universe, I play this game with love. It's what I want to do. It's how I want to be. It's how I enjoy being. I don't want to do it any other way. And I now take my freedom, my power, and I'm calling in all the resources to play this game the way that I want to play it. In love. Empowered, creating and relating in love. If it's not love, I'm not playing the game. That was what I did in the past. And now, I have experienced the expansion and the shadow of love that existed on earth, that exists on earth. And I guess I said existed because we're moving and shifting in the different experiences of earth. So in a sense, it is existed. And now, I receive, and now I receive, and now I receive, and now I receive, and now I receive my compensations for all that I endured. And the compensations look like the lessons learned. These are gifts. The compensation looks like money that is out there for me, and that's what I'm calling in and bringing in at this moment. The compensations look like people who the experience of relating with them, it's like a gift, where when you leave with the person, from being with the person, and you get home, you're just full and replete from the vibration of love as an experience, and just warm heart hugs, and bringing in some of those people. You know, it's not going to be all rainbow and sunshines being here on, and sunshines being here on earth. I am going to be expanding and growing and stretching still, and I'm now doing it in ease and in comfort and in love.